Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manavat and I welcome all of you once again. We are starting the series of Triangle. So here in this series we will understand the concepts. As I said in my previous lectures of geometry also, that geometry is all about properties, theorems and then very few application. And the application also, they are mixed of different properties. So I suggest first let us go through all the properties of geometry and then let's understand the question. Let's apply those properties and solve some questions. So this series is dedicated to triangles. So let's understand what are triangles. Triangle, it's a closed loop with three sides, three angles, three sides. They may be equal, unequal. It could be anything. Yeah, triangle, I'm sure you're aware about it. General properties of triangle. Here we say sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Remember, it's very important property. Sum of any two sides. Let's name these sides as small a, small b, small c. There's a way of naming or naming the sides. Say here you have vertex capital A. So the opposite of capital A side we take small a. There is no rule as such, but we follow these general pattern. So all of us are on the same page. So here we say sum of any two sides is always greater than third side. Any two. And it is true for all the sides, not only one, it's true for all the sides. Yeah. CA, that's greater than B, greater than sine. Okay. Similarly, we also say that difference of any two side is less than the third side. That means if we have A minus B, that's less than C, B minus C less than A, and C minus A is less than B. It could be in any order. It could be in any order, but you pick up any two sides of triangle, see the difference. That difference will always be less than the third side. Okay, these properties are very important. We will avoid going through the details of how these property this property can be proven. Okay, we should avoid, because then the lectures which we are going to discuss in geometry, that they become very lengthy. So let's avoid that situation. Like for example, if you want to prove this, you can prove it easily. That, see, if you say A plus B, let's say if I say this is equal to C, okay, so that means it should be a straight line. Yeah, it should be a straight line, isn't it? A and B and this entire thing is C. A plus B equal to C. So in that case, it will not be a triangle. Triangle is supposed to have some area, some value of area. Okay, and for area, थोड़ा सा इसका height ऊपर होना चाहिए. It can't be straight. Okay. In fact, we will learn in coordinate geometry that if area formed by three vertex is equal to 0, then they are not forming triangle. We will learn that in coordinate geometry. Nevertheless, you understood. So if this is the case, then it's not triangle. So A plus B has to be more than C. Yeah, sum of any two sides has to be more than the third side. We can prove in same way I can prove the other properties also, but as I said, we don't have to get into details. Just learn the properties. Yeah, I know I have told you in arithmetic that have less formulas, have the list of formulas as less as possible. But in geometry, we are bound to learn many properties and formulas and theorems and whatsoever. So here, the sum of all three sides of triangle is 180 degree. This is very famous. This is very famous. I'm sure all of you must be aware about it. If we have this, the vertex A, B, C, this triangle, a random triangle, in that case, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Yeah, this we need to keep in mind. Sum of all three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Next is perimeter. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter as a word wherever you see this. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So if it is triangle, it will be sum of all three sides. The same is applicable in quadrilateral, pentagon, hectagon, and so on. Perimeter means sum of sides. Keep it simple. Perimeter means sum of sides. In case of triangle, it will be sum of three sides because triangle has three sides. So you got sides A plus B plus C. That's your perimeter. Okay. Sides opposite to angle. Okay. What about this? What about this? See, for any triangle, if you see, let's say A, B, C, and the side opposite to vertex A, let me call it small a. Similarly, small b and small c. So here we say if angle A is greater than angle B, in that case, you know what? In that case, the side A, the side opposite to the angle, will also be greater than the side opposite to the smaller angle. Yeah. So this is how it works. So side opposite to angle. So side opposite to angle. That's how it goes. Yeah. If I say angle C is greater than angle A is greater than angle B, in that case we'll say side C will be greater than side A will be greater than side B. Now एक चीज इसमें ध्यान रखना दोस्तों, ये this will not be in same ratio. Keep in mind, this will not be in same ratio. What do I mean to say? Suppose here in any triangle, if I say, let's say angle A equal to 90 degree and angle B equal to 30 degree, let's say. So what is the ratio of angles here? 3:1. Yeah. In that case, you can say that angle A is greater than angle B and angle A and B are in ratio 3:2. Ratio you remember, right? Ratio you know, right? Okay. So it's 3/1. In that case, it's not necessary. It's not necessary that sides are also in the same ratio. No, it's not necessary. No. That's what I'm trying to say. If angles given in certain, I mean, you have got some values of angles, and you say that angle A is greater than angle B, you can definitely say that the side A is greater than side B. But you cannot say that they are in the same ratio. I hope this is making sense to you. Yeah, they are not necessary in the same ratio. So please don't assume this. Just keep only up to the side opposite to greater angle is greater. Keep it simple. Side opposite to smaller angle is smaller. Yeah. Keep this in mind. Let's see the next property. Area of triangles. Okay. Area of triangle. The very famous general formula which we all know about area of triangle. That's what? Area of triangle. If I write it this way, the area of triangle is what? Half base into height. We all know this, right? Okay, that's one. Second formula, Hero's formula. Hero's formula is what? First, you find a semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter means? Semi means half. So, A plus B plus C perimeter ka half, semi-perimeter. And let's call this to be S, semi-perimeter. Let the semi-perimeter represent by S. Okay. So the formula, Hero's formula here is that square root of S minus A, the first side, S minus B, the second side, S minus C, the third side. Okay, that is your area of triangle. Yeah, that's the second formula. That's one way to find the area of triangle. Then you have sine formula. Sine formula to find area of triangle. You need to, I will tell you 5 formulas for to find the area of triangle. You need to remember all 5. Okay. Sine formula is, and please make handwritten notes. Yes, I forgot to say that. Please make handwritten notes. That's also important. And prepare a chart of this theorem and properties of triangle which we are going to discuss, which we are discussing. Sine formula is area of triangle here, area of triangle here. That is half AB sin C. सिंपल है ना याद रखने के लिए. ए बी साइन सी मतलब, let me show you in the diagram. Again, A, B, C as vertex of the triangle, and you have small a, small c, small b here. So the formula here is half AB, product of any two sides, and sine C. That means the angle between these two lines, not any random angle. Okay, product of any two sides, then you have to take the angle between those sides, angle formed by those sides, A, B, sine C. You can also say the same. It could be any two sides. Okay, you don't have to restrict to A or B. It could be B, C, sine A. Sine is what? It's a trigonometry ratio. It's a trigonometry ratio, right? Yeah, we will learn that. We will learn this also. But सुना तो होगा ये 10th standard में पढ़ा है, sin, cos, tan, right? So A, B, sin, C. Sine is what? A trigonometry triangle. We'll learn about it. But as of now, what we need to understand is this is also one of the formula for area of triangle. We got area of triangle in terms of circumradius. What is circumradius? Circumradius is a radius which is of circumcircle. No worry, we will learn this circumradius, circumcircle in the next lecture here. Next lecture, we'll learn that. Yeah, in circle. Here you got circumcircle, circumradius. We'll learn about it. Right, as of now, you can keep this in mind that circumradius is basically a radius of a circle which surround a triangle. यार drawing के लिए please forgive me for drawing, but भावनाओं को समझो guys, समझ में तो आ रहा होगा. यार सर्कम रेडियस होता है, सर्कम सेंटर होता है. सेंटर मतलब कि ये सर्कल की डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस वन पॉइंट इज सेम, दैट इज सर्कम सेंटर. तो पहले समझो कि सर्कल क्या है. सर्कमस्टांसेस. सर्कम मतलब कि बाहर का, राइट? सो सर्कल जो बाहर है ट्रायंगल के, लेकिन वो ट्रायंगल के सब वर्टेक्स को टच करता है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक एनी रैंडम सर्कल. इट शुड पास बाय ऑल द वर्टाइसेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. ओके, फाइन. और इसका जो रेडियस होगा, अब ये रेडियस निकालेंगे कैसे, सर्कल बनाएंगे कैसे, आई विल टेल यू. मैं बताऊंगा सब, डोंट वरी. अभी फिलहाल इतना समझो कि ये सर्कम रेडियस है. तो सर्कम रेडियस इस तरह से आपका कुछ होता है. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल दैट इज ABC. What are ABC? Sides of triangle. Product of all ABC by 4R. ABC by 4R. Yeah. Now next formula, area of triangle. ये पांचों फॉर्मूले प्लीज लिख के रखना. मतलब ज्योमेट्री को सबसे सीखने का और याद रखने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है? If you got any study desk, then please write all these properties and formulas and put that in form of chart next to you. Okay, and because you can't learn all the property at once. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि बैठ के हम आपने properties एक बार में याद कर लिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Definitely we have to practice these properties in different questions and then we get to learn that. Also, you can put it next to you when you're studying, then it should be next to you. So that's also easy way to learn anything for that matter. So geometry को उस तरह से आप याद कर सकते हो, properties and theorems को. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हियर इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंडेडियस. अच्छा, इंडेडियस होगा क्या? जैसे आपका एक ट्रायंगल है, सो ट्रायंगल के अंदर अगर कुछ एक सर्कल बना हुआ है, ट्रायंगल सर्कल इज इंस्क्राइब्ड, इसका जो रेडियस होगा, ये जो रेडियस होगा, दिस वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट एज स्मॉल आर. एंड हियर विद अ सेमी पेरीमीटर, रिमेंबर सेमी पेरीमीटर, हेयर्स फॉर्मूला a plus b plus c by 2, we can say area of triangle is equal to in radius into semi perimeter, in radius into semi perimeter. ये हो गया आपका fifth formula. Okay, let's go through all the four formulas. First formula what we have learned here is half b into c. Second formula is Hero's formula here. Third formula is a sine formula, half ab sine c. Fourth formula is ABC, the product of sides by 4r, where r is circumradius. And when you have in radius, then it is in radius into semi perimeter of the triangle. These are 5 formulas of area of triangle. Yeah, so ये थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन है एक ट्रायंगल का. इस लेक्चर में इतना करते हैं. लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट सम इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल, terms to know in triangle. Yeah, let's learn this in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next lecture.